heading downtown. You know, now I feel at home, you know, when I hear them speaking Spanish. And I remember that.
Monumentos, see?
Oh, yeah. Ruinas.
Oh, okay.
Ruinas Mayas.
Ruins, yeah. Sorry guys, our taxi guy is telling us something.
Yes.
Yeah.
I feel so at home with this, you know, Spanish speaking people all around me, and I just have a love right now and a zeal to speak Spanish. But every time I try to speak Spanish, they keep laughing at me. You know, they're saying that this guy don't know one thing. He doesn't know what he's saying. He doesn't understand. But you know, I feel like Spanish is my second language.
Guys, listen to me.
Relaxo.
Prince no not one owns a Spanish. Prince just call it random words. So basically, we are going downtown right now because we want to see what downtown is like. And then from there, I don't know, maybe we'll grab lunch. But we have a dinner reservation at a hotel tonight for 6 o'clock. So I don't know if we'll get to make it back on time. If not, I mean, we are gonna get
listen,
Mexican.
We're just doing things on the whim right now. We're just winging it.
Yeah, we're basically a winging fit trip today. We're not spend so much time, to be honest, at the hotel. Like yesterday we did the ATV tour, but we couldn't get to video because the terrain did so rough. And we did a cave tour too.
Rough is an understatement.
Yeah.
That terrain was like a optic. One of them course.
Yeah, it did really rough, so we couldn't get to video it. So you know, so today we are touch the street and you know, just walk it on, see what it's all about. And we are gonna bring you guys along and make you see what's going on, and we are grabbing lunch. Hopefully we can get some real tacos. And yeah, you guys will be there with us soon on a bit. Hey guys, we're here. Let's go. We're gonna go discover things. I think this is a mall. Ice cream. I will show you guys. Everybody will try something now. We just feel it.
Going to the island?
Oh, at that inn did I say?
No.
There's an island, honey. Oh, see there, look.
For one. I got two for one.
What island too?
No cost for you. See, I got discount and different activities.
What's the island?
I got two islands. Cozumel is one island and Isla Mujeres another island.
How many minutes?
The ferry Cozumel 30 minutes. This is Coast Island.
And the other island?
It's 1 hour. But it's a catamaran.
Oh, it's a catamaran.
With the food and drinks.
We don't have enough time.
When?
We only have an hour today.
Why? You on a cruise ship?
No. We will come back. Look at oh, look at this, guys.
Right here. 300 miles per hour easily.
This is cool. What are you guys selling it? What? You're selling?
Sebastian Vettel.
Oh, game car. Poquito English. Thank you, guys. That's a nice picture of nice video of that car. But Kaka, they have Apple Store too. Oh, it's like this side up in the park. And look there, oh, nice little nail salon on the street. Look here, you can get a penny and money here, so on the street.
You can do my nails anyway, you know I'm not doing.
You want your nail, babe? Oh wow, look at that. That's so nice. Oh, look at those fishies. Honey, look. Look at this guy. This is so nice. So nice. Oh, guys, and you can actually sit down in a heat, you know? And look. Oh, wow. Look at that. Hola. Poquito. This is then just eat the cables off your foot. Then call it fish therapy. Let me show you guys. Look at that. Fish therapy. That's really cool, man. Look at this, guys. I have some nice stores though. Whoa. Beauty store. So Princess, I think I'm going to kick the ball. So I go see how good he is.